Everyone is interested in knowing which is the best performing mutual fund now. The reason behind this is they would like to check whether the scheme in which they have already invested is part of the best performing mutual fund schemes or not. Whether it is SIP investment or lump sum investment, we always want to have the best for us. But the top list often mislead or confuses the investors. In this video, let us try to understand why it is so. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. There are so many websites which rate the mutual fund schemes, list down the best performing mutual fund schemes in each and every category. How relevant is the list to you? Let us also look at what are the pointers you should keep in mind before making any decision. First, let us look what is the relevance of best performing mutual fund. Any online search would give you a ready-made list of funds. Sometimes the list is based on short-term performance and some lists might include only a particular category. The performance in the past, either short-term or long-term, is just a history. Past performance is just a guide to check how well the fund manager did in the past. But looking at the past performance is just like having a look at a resume of a job applicant. The applicant may be a topper in the college or in his previous employment. However, that only provides the probability and not the assurance that he will be performing well in the future. Can a best performing mutual fund now continue to be a best performing mutual fund even after a week or after a month or after a quarter or after a year? Then, in that case, do we intend to switch your investments every week or every quarter? If it is an SIP investment, we cannot switch to best performing mutual fund for every SIP investment. Considering the performance of mutual fund is really an important step in selection criteria. But don't give over weightage to the performance. Do not look only the best performing mutual fund now. You need to consider the other factors. Now let us look at what are the other pointers you should keep in mind. One size does not fit for all. We all have different financial needs and goals. We need different schemes to suit our needs and goals. A best performing mutual fund scheme suitable to your friend need not to be suitable to you. Let me explain this with an example. Can a best playing cricketer fit in 2020 match as well as test match? Both the matches have got different formats. So, a best player in one format will not be a best player in the other format. Similarly, a ready-made list of best performing mutual fund will not fit for you, your neighbor, your brother as well as your colleague. Next, set your goals and select your funds. You should select a mutual fund which is really suitable to your requirement. Here, the requirement means the goal or the purpose of investment. So, first, you should be clear with your goal or purpose of investment. Find out about each category and whether it is suited to your investment objective and risk profile. Then, you need to select the fund which is really suitable to meet your requirement. The next is consistency. Consistent performer is more important than the current performer. Instead of focusing on which is the best performing mutual fund now, you need to focus on the consistent performing fund over a longer period of time. You may choose a fund which is not in the list of best performing mutual fund for the current quarter, but a consistent long term performer for a period of over 7 years or 10 years. Also, look for the performance across market phases. Has the fund able to withstand a market crash or not? So, both time frame and market phase should be given importance while selecting a fund. Duplication of existing fund or overlapping. You need to select a fund which is not very similar in nature when compared to your existing mutual fund investments. If you invest in a fund just because it entered into the list of best performing mutual fund, then it will lead to duplication and overexposure. You will end up having 20 to 25 funds in your portfolio. So, before choosing a fund from the list, consider all the above parameters as well. We would like to conclude that investment facilitates in achieving your goals. Investments should not be picked up based on rating or ranking. You should always choose a scheme that matches your investment objective, horizon, and risk profile. So, all you need is a comprehensive plan which covers everything from goal setting, selecting investment avenues, finally execution of plan in achieving your goals. If you find any difficulties in understanding the basic mutual fund concepts or any investment, you should always seek the help of an advisor or a certified financial planner. A detailed blog post on the topic, which is the best performing mutual fund now, is available in our website and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.